Today, I'm going to be talking about 3 strategies of making money. And I'm sharing this video to encourage you all to spread the awareness to children, because most of the children grow up believing that the only way of earning money is by trading their time. So the whole intention of making this video is to spread the awareness, especially to children and all the parents, that trading time for money is not the only way of earning money. There are 3 strategies of making and earning money, which I call method 1, method 2 and method 3. Now out of these 3 strategies, method 1 is the worst strategy, wherein people get a degree, go to a job and earn money. In fact, they trade their time for money. It could be doctors, it could be engineers, it could be lawyers, it could be pilots, it could be waitress or a waiter. Anybody who trades their time for money are in this category. In fact, majority of people, unfortunately, that is close to 97% of people fall into this category where they still follow method 1, where they still choose method 1 to earn their money. Now what is method 2? Method 2 is one of the greatest strategy wherein most of the successful and wealthiest people on this planet have been using this, right? This is where you make your money do the work for you. This is where you make money do the job for you. And that's where investments comes into picture. Investments in real estates, investment in self, investment in funds, investments in shares, right? Wherein you make your money work for you. This is one of these greatest strategy most of the successful people have been using, right? Now let's go on to the third strategy, which is method 3, wherein you set up MSIs for you. When I say MSI, it means multiple sources of income, wherein you make either your money work for you or people and systems work for you. It could be done either through businesses or it could be done through internet, right? Wherein you upskill yourself and either make people and systems work for you, wherein you leverage other people's time and skills, and you also depend on automations and innovations and set up multiple sources of income to generate wealth for you, right? So this is one of the crucial awareness that needs to be spread, especially to children, because they have to remove this belief wherein they get the idea of just going to work and earning the money. It need not be just a job. There are many other sources of earning an income, and there are very great ways of earning huge than you earn in a job, right? So children must be definitely made aware of these strategies. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching.